you gotta play the Minnesota Lottery at the scratch offs.
Hello, welcome to the channel. We're going to be doing these winner chicken dinner scratchies. Jimmy Big Money, would you explain how these scratchies work?
Okay, you reveal 3 like amounts when that amount, reveal 2 like amounts, and a chicken symbol when double that amount.
Now, I guess from what I saw on the website, these ones have 2 top prizes, 1,000 and 500. So it would be nice to get either one of those top prizes. Otherwise, you know, even 50 bucks would be pretty decent on one of these, I think.
I would agree.
Yeah. So these ones I think these just came out a couple days ago, and I saw them out there. So these are a new one, so there's probably a lot of winners in them. So,
yeah.
Okay, go ahead, Jimmy, and
right.
give it a try scratching on this one.
Let's scratch some chickens.
Oh no! What do you got? $2.
$2. 100.
100. Come on.
10.
10.
40.
40. Yeah, all you can get is a 2. Did you get a 2?
40.
Yeah. That one blows.
Yeah. No chicken dinner on that one.
Yeah, no chicken dinner there, man.
Alright. Let's go. Come on, give me some chicken. 25.
Oh, 25.
2. 2.
Okay.
Come on, another 2. Yeah.
Oh, that's at least $2 now.
Yeah.
Keep scratching. Yeah, get $2.
5. 7.
Oh, that's a $2 winner. We got a winner there. Chicken dinner.
Sweet.
So, on to the next one.
Alright. There we go. 4. 8. 1,000.
1,000. Come on.
Come on. Oh, we got an 8.
Oh, could be good.
Come on. Oh, we got a 4.
Come on, 8. We
Come
want
on.
8 or 4. 8 or 4. Come on.
Come on, it's got to be something. 5.
That one blows. You thought you could have got $8
yeah,
out
that
of it
would
right
have
there.
been cool.
Okay, this is the last one.
Hopefully it's a good one.
Come on, let's get a big one.
7. 4. 1. Ain't looking good.
1.
14. Come on, give me a 1. 4.
That one blows. Well, you got $2 out of it. Yeah.
Yeah, not too bad, I guess.
So out of $4 you got 2.
Yeah.
So that's like half your money. That's pretty much expected on these. So everybody out there, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you later.
All right, have a good day.